Hi, welcome back to Prodigy. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon and get lot more useful videos. We are going to see Stanford University free certificate courses. Stanford is offering various free courses through webinars. So this is offered by Stanford Center for Continuing Medical Education. So let us see what are those courses and how to get a certificate after completing it. So here you can see upcoming webinars, on-demand webinars. So if you want to register for an upcoming webinars, you can go here and click on the name and register for a upcoming webinar. So first let us create an account, then we'll decide which webinar it is. So here it is, my CE. Click on my CE to create an account. So you'll be coming here. If you already have an account, just give your email ID, password and login. If you don't have an account, click on don't have an account here. You can see here, click on that. So what we need to do is just give our mail ID, first name, last name, and let me enter my mail ID. Sorry, once you give your mail id and name, you have to create a strong password. So then you have to select degree. These degrees will be related to medical field. If you are not from any medical field, just select none. You'll be having an option called none. Just go with the none option because most of us will not be from the medical field, so go with that. And again, in profession, you can't give physician or something, so give a fellow resident. So that is enough. And then just check this box, and then you have to click on create account. Oops, it's not going. So I think the password has some issue with it, so I'll change my password. Sorry for the error. Sorry for the inconvenience again. Sorry. So now that I have changed my password, I'm clicking on create account again. So this time I think it's done. So the account is created. Just click on OK, and you can see their online courses. So you just click on online courses. So you'll be coming here. Here you can see a lot of courses. Here all these are courses offered by Stanford, and you'll even get a certificate for completing all these courses at zero cost. So let me do one for you, this one. Using COVID-19 epidemiology to understand when and how to return to school. This is the one I'm going to do for you. So wait for the end. Let me show you how to get a certificate from Stanford University. So just go through this details. It's just an overview, date and location. It's online, so location doesn't matter. So registration, so when it expires, all the things are given here. So once you are done, so click on begin. You can see here begin. Just click on that. After clicking on that begin button, you will see something like this, instructions and confined evaluation, something like this. So now you have to click on launch website. Click on launch website. Once you click on launch website, you will be coming here to a YouTube video from Stanford Medicine, and this is the one you need to complete to get a certificate. You need to watch it completely. You need to understand what they are saying and learn from it. So just don't pass the video or skip it. Just don't do it for the sake of certificate. So learn from it what they are saying, what the professors are saying. So once you are done with it, go back to where you started. So and you can see attestation. Now you have to click on attestation after watching that video. Now again, for getting the certificate, you need to give your email ID, the one you created now just now. So give your email ID and the password you created for the Stanford Medicine account, which we created now. So let me give my password, spare a few minutes, and then click on login. So once you click on login, you will be seeing something like this, the title, and just one question, that is, I have completed the course content or not. So just select I have completed the course content and click on check answer. Once you click on check answer, you can see it is a correct. And what you have to do next is, you can see show results at the top right corner there. Click on that, and you can see here, just one question, you answered it correctly, you got 100% correct. What you have to do it, just click on complete evaluation. Click on complete evaluation, and you will be coming here. So just click on OK, just a prompt, just verify your profile and then click on submit. That is what that said here. So this is just a basic details, like what's your name, what's your address, what's your phone number, which city you belong, like your if you want, you can still give your media profiles. That is social media profile like LinkedIn or something like that. Once you have given all the details and verified it, what you have to do is just click on submit here. Click on submit, and you will be seeing like please wait, and it will be loading, and you will be redirected again to the home profile. Just click on my CV again and go to evaluation and certificates. So you can see here complete evaluation. So you still the evaluation is pending, so you have to click on complete evaluation and you will be coming here. This is just a post course survey, just like what are the things you learned, how it is, just a post course survey, it doesn't matter much. So how did you get to know about this webinar, how did you get to know about this course, those are the little things they'll ask. Just submit, just answer those questions and click on submit. Oh, make sure you answer all the questions, don't leave like me. Answer all properly the first time and click on submit. Your process is complete. Now you can download certificate here. Click on download certificate, and that's it. Your Stanford University certificate is ready in just 2 minutes, guys. You can do all these things. I have to remind you here that not only this course, there are a lot of courses Stanford is offering for free with certificate. Just go back and click on online courses. You will find all the courses here. Sorry for the poor internet. So you will find all the courses here. Check out our description for Stanford Medicine site link. If you like this video, drop a like and comment if you need anything and share this video. Thanks for watching.